Welcome back to the PBA Doubles, the last tournament of the year.
They actually just changed it to a trio, so it looks like I'm in first now too.
Mitch and I are bowling really well. We're in first place. Nick's got some catching up to do on this cut number, and we're gonna go get some bagels. We hungry. Mitch, you got anything to say?
Where's my sweater?
And Mitch lost his sweater, so you can say we're having a great day. See something on a failed shot twice so far this tournament, and both shots I've thrown it, I don't know, worse than I did when I was 10 years old. I wasn't bowling when I was 10.
Why not?
Hope you can join us. If not, tune in.
All right. See you tomorrow, baby. I know we'll be bowling you guys at least one game. Well, we did more of a good bowling today. I wish it was a little better, but we got like a 200 pin lead going into tomorrow over second place. So hopefully 12 games of match play. Thank you, John. Hopefully 12 games of match play, we can stay in the lead and grab the 1 seed for, you know, just some good bowling, some more good bowling, some more, hopefully title number 2 for me and 1 for Mitch. But that last game, I was 1 pin off the 12-game scoring record, which would have been pretty cool. But it's always awesome doing it in a doubles tournament too with your buddies. So hopefully we can take title number 2 tomorrow.